Okay, here we are again. We've got a smashing day today, so let's make the most of it. I thought I'd just go over a few things that I've probably gone over before, but just a bit of an update on how the bike's performing and what I've done to it, and a bit of a ride out to show well, how it performs. So let's get on with that, and yeah, let's enjoy it. I've got the drone with me today, so hopefully we can get a few good aerial shots. We'll see how that goes though. I'm not promising anything. But as for the bike, yeah, it's running great. Still no issues. Nothing to complain about. Like I've mentioned before, this is the 500 watt. And I'm not totally sure that you can even get this anymore. They've now moved to the 750 watt. But yeah, if it's available anywhere, let me know, because I couldn't see it. But this performs well enough for me. I've got no need to upgrade to the 750. Especially with the alterations I've done to this, and knowing that it's going to get me there and back without any issues. Well, he says, up to yet anyway. We'll see. I believe it's going to be a warm one today. So I've come out relatively early, sort of to beat the midday sun. Got plenty of fluids with me, so stop and have a drink. I know where I'm going to stop. My favourite bench at Wedgwood. Yes, Steve, I know it's yours as well. We can share it. It is a Sunday, so might even see you up there, Steve. Fancy bumping into you? That'd be odd. I have had this bike, is it 18 months? Or is it 2 years? I don't know how long I've had it now. 18 months? I think it's 2 years actually. Yeah, it must be 2 years. Because it was in the summertime and wasn't last year. And the battery is as good as new, really. I haven't seen any deterioration in it, so that's a good thing. And I've put some miles on this now. I'm not 100% sure because I have reset the mileometer a few times when I've been doing tests, but it must be around 1,000, just over even. Get round and skip. Okay, looks like we've had a bit of an accident here. crossroads accident by the look of it. Not the first time it's happened here. Just righted the car. Hopefully everybody's okay. Well, there you go. Exciting Sunday. I like to have the GoPro running when I'm cycling along, and anything untoward I can capture it, or anything exciting. At least there won't be any cars behind me. This road's closed off from that direction, so something, isn't it? Up we go over the bridge, mind your head. And it's great, it pulls you straight up that hill. Looks like they're doing a bit of building on this car park at last. Probably houses. Guarantee it'll be out, you know. Some blooming new houses. We're coming up to a place I went a few months back actually, Hemmeath Wood, and it was a good place, but it was a bit muddy. And I said I'd return to take another look at it. So, as long as there's not too many dog walkers in here. We'll see how it goes. I'm not going to go in too far. It's not my plan for today. Yeah, it's not too bad, but like I say, I don't want to venture too far into here. It's not the plan for today. What I would like to do is take the drone up above it, so we can see what sort of area it covers. But depends if I can find an open spot or not. Yeah, I think we might get away with it here. Dog walkers, aren't we? We can cope with them. Yeah, I think we'll do it here. Take the drone up, have a look over the wood, and you can also take it over the Wedgwood factory from here, so let's see what happens. Yes, we'll do a proper tour of the wood again in a different video. It's definitely drier, but still some wet patches. So let's carry on and enjoy the weather. Certainly a nice day to be out and about on your bike. No plans to do any detours today, really, but you never know. Yeah, I'll go through some of the things have changed again on here. I'm going to sit down and take a look. I've mentioned them before in a previous video, but there's a couple more things now. So we'll have a bit of a rundown with what we got so far. Okay, we parked up in the shade here a bit, out the sun. There's a bit of a respite from the heat. So this is it, the Engwe EP-2 500 watt. Like I said before, I don't know if it's available anymore in the 500 watt size, but anyway. Yeah, we've done a few modifications to it now. If we start at the bottom, first off we went with the 11/28 tooth freewheel. Stops you running out of pedal when you're going at top speed. Your little legs are going round and you're not doing anything. Yeah, the old seat bag, cheap, cheerful, does the job. Zoom brakes, cable operated hydraulic brakes, front and rear, work okay. Stop that squealing, which I'm sure if you haven't changed them they all do. Moving up, seat, Ciel Royale Drifter Plus. Did a video on this one, so you can take a look at that if you wish. Up to the handlebars, foam grips, just nice and comfortable on your hand, really. Better. Didn't need changing, but they're a bit hard to the other ones. A little bar end mirror, came in a pack of 2. Ideal, that is. I did have larger ones before, but I was forever banging them when I got them in and out of the car, so changed it. What else? What else? We can go down to tyres. Sandstorm Street Tread. Can't say it's tongue twister. Street Tread. Not available at the moment. Tried everywhere, nowhere selling them. But I did buy a spare set, so we're okay. We're good to go with that. Also, the tyres have been gooped, similar to slime, anti-puncture. Also fitted tyre liners. Again, I'll leave links for these below so you can check them out. But yeah, the Engwe EP-2 500 watt. So there we have it. The Engwe EP-2 500 watt, still going strong. I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, thanks for watching.